Hello, this is Callum from the HBP Group, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Whiteboard in Teams. First of all, go to the calendar screen in Teams, double click a meeting. This will then load up the meeting screen. At the top on the toolbar you can see Whiteboard. Click this. This will then load up Microsoft Whiteboard. Here at the top you can see we have some whiteboard pens, highlighters and erasers. On the left toolbar we can select from several different widgets. In this example we're going to add a note grid. Double click the note grid and then click onto the whiteboard. You can then write the notes as you require. You can resize the widgets by dragging from the corner and then moving them into place. Just as another example, here we add a reaction. To close this screen, just press close in the top right. This is the end of the tutorial. If you have any issues or queries, please give us a call on 01724 400 304. Thank you.